Hi guys! Today I'm Melina Stanley and this is Kylie Escobar. and and she has a Rice Krispie to eat. I have Skittles.
Rice Krispies. And today we're gonna be making some. We have our containers.
Where's mine?
This is her container.
The ball.
All right, let's get started. So, I have to make a slime.
No, wait. This is not my container. I have a bigger container downstairs.
Well, she's gonna go get her bigger container. I have no idea what it is. But here's my bowl.
I'm waiting for Martin.
Here's my bowl. Gonna get that out of here. Here's my bowl.
Martin, hurry up.
Here is our glue.
Huh?
Our
Is Martin on mine?
mixing tool. She has her own bowl. You have to
I'm
mix
texting
your.
him, but okay, yeah.
You have to find your own bowl.
Mm-hmm.
There's your mixer. Here's mine. Wait, guys, I need to pull my sleeves up.
Is he online? No. This is good. I
Well,
got mine.
Here's my mixer. She has her mixer. Alright.
I'm gonna find. No, I'm not gonna do a bowl.
She's gonna go find her bowl. Now I'm just gonna get started. And we have activator here. Alright. Time to get started.
Honey, I can't open it. Fine. Oh, got it.
Let me see.
But I'm trying to touch Martin. I don't have it yet.
Alright, there's your bowl. Now I'm gonna be pouring the clear slime.
Hi guys, I'm back.
So,
Okay, I just sent him a text. He should respond soon. That is too much, Kylie. I'm going downstairs.
oh well.
Bye, Felicia. Well,
Bye.
you gotta watch our video on YouTube. Oh. Well, you gotta stop being so annoying. Frick you. Frick you. Sorry. Go. Go. Watch out for the stapler. Oh, he's eating right now. I got mine container opened.
Oh, now we have our glue.
Glue. It's clear glue.
Yeah.
And it's this type. And
We got it from Target.
we got this kind of activator, LOL activator. And we like LOL.
This is bath soap, but let's go refill it back up with some more activator. We'll be back. See.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. I'll stay here, guys. give you.
Guys, we're back. We
Hi,
got
guys.
some more activator.
Yeah, we had to run into her dog, Elsa.
Time to pour activator. Sorry, guys. You thought we were gonna put some stuff in it. Well, the reason is we pour our stuff last. We pour.
Who is that? Mine's starting to get sticky.
Did Autumn call back?
Yeah.
You guys talk to her?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
You said we going to breakfast? She said. Where's my phone?
Downstairs.
Give me kid.
In the kitchen.
Give me kid.
Yeah.
Give me kid. Love you. You guys play videos?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi. Dad's working. Huh?
Yeah.
I don't like slime.
I do.
You do? Do you like slime, Elena?
Yeah. Mommy won't let us have it at home.
She don't.
That's why you have to talk to her.
I fed the birdies guy. I found a bunch of bird seed in the garage. So I just in the front yard. So they're going to be out there crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Who's
Heidi,
gonna be mad?
how'd you make yours like that?
Who's going to be mad, Kai?
Foxy and Elsa. Need help, Melina? Okay.
Yeah, I need help.
All right. Here we go. Don't close that one. It's not done yet. Oh, I went out of board. Oh, no. Guys, look at that.
If you want to make a video, if you want to be on our video, then if you like our video, you can subscribe.
And then, yeah, our address and everything is private, so.
Yeah, private. I got the Barbie's tools. Barbie tools. Let me try to pick up one. Ew, stick. Good thing.
Now we are going to add some more activator, guys. This is my slime. This is her slime. Don't cut it yet.
Okay, fine.
Here's some activator.
Ooh, tiny.
I got some activator. I know.
It's spreading.
Let's just start mixing.
Is yours gluing to the floor a little?
Guys, this is a messy situation. So if you are, let's see.
You would not want to do this, but
5
if
or
your parents
under,
help,
you cannot make slime. If you are 6 and up, you can make slime. If your parents allows you to.
yeah. And if you want to make this slime, you really gotta ask and show them this video.
And she can make slime, but I have to make it with her. So, yeah.
Yeah, because my mom, she won't let me make slime. We don't even have ingredients.
So
Okay.
there's that.
Our glue. My glue is not sticking to my hands.
Just mix, 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 mix.
Mix.
I think we need some more glue.
Yeah.
Do you guys think we need some more glue?
Yeah.
It's like a stringy. It's supposed to be stringy. No, it's not supposed to be stringy. So I'll just keep kneading and kneading until I get the right consistency. I like it.
Guys, if you ever want to do this, ask your parents